Hello friends, welcome back. In previous video we have learned how to create a label and how to create a button. Now in this video we are going to learn after putting a button on a dialog box, how we can define its property. Means if we are giving an exit button, how we can, after clicking on exit, that our program get ended. Okay, so let's start the code. We will do first write from tinter import star. Now we will define it like let me say p equals to so let's first I'm going to give a label. So first let's give a label and L should be capital label. Now we have to assign p. After assigning a value p, let's give a text equals to. Now what you want the label to be print on the dialog box. Let's say thank you, what can I do for you? This is the text. Now this is the your label. Okay, now I'm going to give a button. Okay, let's b equals to button. Okay, button brackets. Now I will assign p, then I will give text, means what you want to print on that button. Text equals to, I want to exit. Okay, exit. And now the main thing is coming here. Now we are giving a command. What the command means, what the properties, what the function that button will do for you. After giving a, let's give me a comma here. After giving a command, what type of command you want to give? Okay, I want to quit after when I select that button. So p dot quit. Okay, now what I have to do, I have to pack it. So label dot pack in brackets. Next I want to pack button, so b dot pack this. Okay, now I want to do a main loop. I have already told you about the function, what the main loop do for you. So let's put to, if you are not seen, see my previous video and you will get know the what the function main loop do for you. So now I have to give p dot main loop. Okay, let's see what the results come. We will run it. As you can see, my dialog boxes appear with a label. Let me literally thank you, what can I do for you, it's your label, and exit is your button. Let's see after clicking what does it do. Okay, you can see after doing exit, it's quit your dialog box. It means it is stop your program. Okay, now you can modify it. like in button you can give your color like this. BG, I have already told about it. BG background color equals to inverted comma. Now which color you want? I want yellow, so say yellow, write yellow. Okay, it is not an efficiency code to write this because it's taking a 7 line. How can we reduce it? And after reducing it will take less time to run, and it will make your program very good, and users will like it. How we can do this? Is the label, you are this label and pack, you can remove this, plus you can remove this, and the pack you can put here like this. It is right now because you are giving completing your label dot pack means if it will run first this and then it will pack, means you are making that label pack at that time only, not at the end of your program. Okay, so pack this. In this you can also define many things like side, in which side the button should be there in dialog box. Let me give you side equals to, the side should be after equals to you have to give in capital, so we will write in capital, like I want left. Okay, and in this dot pack and brackets, in this also we will give side, in this side we will give right. Okay, now you can see we have reduced our code in 5 lines. Oh yeah, so it make your code more efficient. Now let's run it, let's see what the results we get here. As you can see, after giving side, it is coming thank you, what can I do for you, and that exit. Okay, because I have given right, so it is on the right. And one main thing also, you can expand this button so that it can fill whole space when you expand the dialog box. And how you can do that, let's do it here. Let's do exit. We will give comma and say expand equals to yes comma and fill. Now we will in which x-axis or y-axis, so I'm going to give both. Okay, now it will, oh sorry, I have to write this function in button, not in label, because label will not do that function for us. So for it, sorry for that, let's copy paste here. I have done copy paste here. Okay, now I will run it and let's see what the output we get. Yes, you can see this is, now let me expand it. You can see it is expanding here also, and let me stretch from vertical or horizontal side. Now you can see as we are increasing our dialog box size, our button is also filling both x and y axis. Now you can do x also or y individually, you can also do. Let's see how. A simple change will come here. We will remove both and say x. Okay, now let's run it. It's here. Now we will stretch it vertically and horizontally. Again, our axis is always in horizontal, so our button is also getting increasing. As this only you can do for y-axis, it will means it will increase in vertical, not in horizontal. Now we will want to more modify it. How we will do? Let's it's not looking like that, it is coming in one line, thank you, what can I do for you. How we can print it in next line like a message, like it look good when it's appear. So how we will do it, let's see. We can do it like thank you. Here we will slash and it is means next line. Okay, what can I do for you? After this you can put slash and then uh, like let's write more message, and and let's type more, please come back if you need. Okay, it is more than enough to print it on this. And now the side is we want to change it. We will not give any side because we want to print in the center, so on the left it will not good. So let's, and we will change the side here. We will put bottom because bottom look nice always at the end of the box. Now let's run it, how it looks. See, it's printing in another line where I have put slash n. It is printing on the next line that message. It only means n means print in the next line. Now let me increase. See, our message label is always will be in between and exit will be at the bottom. Now function is this, we can do this. So it is enough for today. So to learn more on Python about its function libraries and many more things how we can do it, so keep tuned and thank you for watching. Bye bye.